Hello everyone, this is Teacher Sarah. Welcome to the second day of our lesson in Science 5. At the end of our lesson, you're expected to identify the difference between series and parallel circuits. Cite advantages and disadvantages of parallel circuit. A symbol, series, and parallel circuit connection. We attain these objectives? Of course, yes. So what are we going to do while we're having our activity? First, we have to respect one another. Learn to listen before you speak. Speak in clear and modulated voice. Avoid pointless criticism. And be cooperative and try to get along with your group. What do I have here? Obviously, it's a Christmas light. Have you observed that in a series of Christmas lights, once bulb is busted, the entire series of lights will not light up? Compare it with the lights at home. Does it also follow when a bulb in a room is busted? The bulb in other parts of the house do not light up? Christmas lights and light bulbs in our house have different kinds of circuits, and we will learn it today. Are you now ready to discover? Before we will continue, let's have a short review on our previous lesson. Everybody pay attention and guess what word is being defined. The one where the continuity has been broken by an interruption in the path for current to flow. What word is this? Can you guess? Very good. It's an open circuit. Next, the one that is complete with good continuity throughout. How about this one? What word is this? Yes, closed circuit. Now, let's proceed to our topic. Our topic for today. We have electric circuit connection. What is an electric circuit? A path for transmitting electric current. It includes a device that gives energy to the charged particles constituting the current, such as a battery or a generator. Devices that use current, such as lamps, electric motors, or computers, and connecting wires or transmission lines. We have two types of electrical circuit connection. We have the parallel circuit and the series circuit. Try to look at this illustration. This is an example of a series circuit connection. When two or more loads are arranged one after the other, they are said to be connected in series. The electrons have to pass through one load before they can pass to another. This second diagram shows the parallel circuit. When two or more loads are arranged in such a way that each load has an independent circuit, they are said to be connected parallel. The electrons pass through any load without having to pass through other loads. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of series and parallel circuits. Let's start from series. The advantage of series is that it does not require many wiring connections and circuit components. But the disadvantage is that only one for an electric current to flow through. While in parallel, two or more pathways for an electric current to flow through. When one bulb burns out, the other bulbs will continue to glow. The only disadvantage for parallel is that it requires many wiring connections and components. Now, Let's have an activity. These are the materials we need to prepare for the activity. We have 3 pieces bulbs, 3 pieces receptacles, 1 piece 9 volts battery, 1.5 meter electric wire, and 1/8 size illustration board, 1 switch, knife, and scissors for cutting. For setup A, series circuit, you have to design a series circuit similar to the illustration on page 145 of your science textbook. Then, lay the circuit on an illustration board. After that, you try to remove one of the bulbs. Did the other bulbs still light up? For you to find out. For the next group, the setup B, parallel circuit connection. You also need to design a parallel circuit similar to the illustration on page 146 of your textbook. Then lay the circuit out on the illustration board. And after you have done that one, try to remove one of the bulbs. Then find out if the bulbs still light up. Oops, I almost forgot. Before that, read these reminders. Here are the safety precautions. Everybody read. Be careful in handling sharp and pointed objects such as knives and scissors. Again, be careful in handling sharp and pointed objects such as knives and scissors. Now let's begin. Time is up. Our time for the activity has ended. Wow, you've done great. Good job, everyone. Your work will be rated based on the rubrics posted in our board. Now, how did you find the activity? Interesting. Great. Let's check how far did you learn today. In a piece of paper, let's answer the following questions. Excellent! You're now finished. Before we will end, please reflect on this question. You are going to build your own house in the future. Considering that you need to have an electrical connection, what will you prefer? A series circuit connection or a parallel connection? And why? I will hear your response tomorrow. That's all for now. Let's call it a day. Thank you for your cooperation. God bless everyone.